Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to download Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot isn't a standalone application that you can download separately. Instead, it is a feature integrated into Microsoft Visual Studio Code, a popular code editor. Here is how to access Microsoft Copilot within Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already, download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website, Visual Studio Code. Then open Visual Studio Code on your computer after installation. Microsoft Copilot is available as an extension for Visual Studio Code. To install it, open VS Code and go to the Extensions view. You can access this view by clicking on the square icon in the sidebar or pressing Ctrl-Shift-X. In the Extensions view, search for GitHub Copilot in the search bar. Once you have found the GitHub Copilot extension, click on the Install button next to it to install the extension in Visual Studio Code. GitHub Copilot requires you to sign into your GitHub account to use it. If you don't have a GitHub account, you will need to create one. Follow the prompts to sign in or create an account. Once the extension is installed and you are signed into GitHub, you can start using GitHub Copilot's AI-powered code suggestions and completions within Visual Studio Code. It will assist you as you rewrite code by providing suggestions and snippets based on the context of your code. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.